everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasurers, and here on today's video we are going to be stuffing my bills binder and working on getting 1 month ahead in each one of my envelopes and 1 month ahead in my bills. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really encourage that you subscribe. I talk about budgeting, saving money, paying off debt. I am a cash stuffer, and that is a way that I budget my money to make sure that I do not overspend. I'm saving money and I'm leveling up in my credit and all that good stuff. So if you are here for that, we are here for you too, and I encourage you to join the community. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm really glad that I started to stuff my bills binder, because it has really been a huge help to do this. So if you are not stuffing your bills binder, I really encourage that is something that you think about and consider. So basically, I take half of my money or half of each bill and I save it every 2 weeks, okay? And so that has helped me to really just get a hold of paying my bills and making sure that they're on time and all that good stuff, okay? The total amount that I stuff is $500 every 2 weeks, and that is for my bills. And then I take a little bit extra out to save for the buffer and to save for the 1 month advance, okay? Hope that made sense. So we're gonna start with our HOA envelope, and our HOA envelope is going to get $140. So let's add $140. Okay, so that is how much I am adding for the bill. Okay, and then I'm also going to be adding $5. Okay, the $5 is getting me 1 month ahead. Okay, so adding the 300 plus the 140, so it's 1 2 3 20 40 60 80 4 20 40, so that's 440. And then we're going to be adding $5, and then that gives us $445. So even if you're only saving $5, $10, whatever you can save to go towards getting this envelope or any envelope 1 month ahead, that's what you want to do, okay? So we got $445. Also, somebody made a suggestion that even though I have here the amount that I take out every 2 weeks, I should put the total amount of the bill up top, and I thought that was a good idea. So this total bill is $280 every 2 weeks, or I'm sorry, every month. So I am going to highlight this. I don't know where my yellow highlighter is. Where's my yellow highlighter? Here we go. So I'm going to highlight that the total bill for this is $280 a month. So then that really helps me to have line of sight of what this bill is. And then yeah, so thank you so much for that suggestion. When you said it, I was like, duh. Why didn't I think of that? So cell phone bill, we add an extra $45 to this envelope. We got 2 20s and a 5. Actually, I'm adding $30. I need to change this. My bill went down actually because I called and changed my rate plan. So this is going to get a 20 and a 10. So my rate plan is $60 now. So instead of me taking out $45, I am taking out $30 every 2 weeks. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. And then we're going to be adding an extra $5 to help us with getting 1 month ahead. It's gonna be 80 bucks. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Come on, envelope, open, open, open. Yeah, so I definitely encourage that you call your cell phone carrier from time to time to see, you know, if there's a better rate plan that you can get on, because you never know. Sometimes they have it. Just like for me, they definitely had it. So for ADT, this is a total of, we're adding $35 for ADT.
And it's $70 for ADT.
And so let's add 20, 35. This is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. And then we're adding $5 for the extra amount.
So this is $5, so basically that's $90.
No need to count it again. Well, let's see, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. All right. Get in there. Wow, it's getting harder and harder to put this money in here. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Okay, and then next is gas, and this is for our gas bill. And we're putting, for the gas bill, we are putting $50. So it's gonna be $120 and 3/10.
So we're adding $50.
So this is 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80. So we're at 180. And then we're adding $5 for the extra amount. So that's 185. Now here, it's $50 every 2 weeks, and the bill total is $100. So this is a variable bill. So this is the gas. It shouldn't be more than $100. When I look, that's pretty much how my bill is, and it's been cold out here, but not as cold. So, all right. So water is going to be getting $30. So water is going to get a 20 and a 10. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, no. It's time to go to bed. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40. So 140. And then we are going to be adding our $5 buffer, and that's 145. I'm also thinking about just focusing on one envelope at a time, and tell me what you guys think about that. So instead of me doing $5 per envelope, you know, and working to get all of the envelopes 1 month ahead, that I would just focus on one envelope. So for example, the water envelope maybe would have gotten all of the buffer money in there, and then we would be done with that envelope and getting it 1 month in 1 month ahead. So tell me what you guys think about that, instead of just taking $5 and putting it in each envelope. Whatever you guys think I should do, then that's what your girl is gonna do. Okay, so the solar is gonna be getting $50, which is a $50 bill here. And solar, we're doing $100 for solar. Even though the solar bill fluctuates, but it's about 70 something dollars that I've noticed that the bill is, but I'm just, you know, doing 50. So we got 50, 100, 50, 70, 90, 210. And then we're gonna add our $5 buffer, and that's gonna give us 215. So we are definitely probably 1 month ahead in our solar bill, actually, because we're at 215. So we may have already hit one envelope, but I'm gonna wait until my next bill comes out, and then that'll let me know where we're at with the solar envelope. I gotta tell you guys a tea about my electricity bill, okay? There's some tea up in there. So cable is going to be getting $60, which is a 50 and a 10. So you guys, I almost canceled my cable. They were trying to go up on me by, hold on, 60, 50. They were trying to go up on me by $30. So when I told them I was going to cancel, I talked to the regular people. They were like, oh, so we can only save you $10. And I said, well, go ahead and cancel. And then of course, when I got with the recovery department, then they lowered my bill, actually lower than what it is. So I think right now it's I was paying $120, like almost $130, and now it's going to be $115. So always remember that I do get half of my bill reimbursed from my job. So this is 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30.
This is 130, and then we're gonna add our $5 buffer. So 135.
All right, next up is insurance. So our insurance is going to be getting $50, which is a $50 bill. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 115. And then we're adding our $5 buffer. So that is 120. Make sure 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20. There we go. All right, so next up is memberships, and memberships is going to get $20. It's going to be a 10 and a 5, and it's a 10, a 5, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are at 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. $60.
I didn't do my insurance, I didn't put the total. So the total here is $40. And we're adding our $5 buffer.
So we're at 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 65. All right. And then trash is going to be getting 15, a 10, and a 5. $30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96. That's only $10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96. Did I put the $10 bill in here? I didn't count that right. I must have didn't count this right. I don't know what happened here. I think I added $15, or did I add 10? No, 15. So, because 18 plus 15 that's only $10. So I have to figure out where that $5 is. Sorry guys, I hope you guys can't hear my heater. Not my heater, my dryer is letting me know that it's ready. I'll figure out where that $5 is in the trash. And I have a new envelope here, debt minimum and debt. So in the 1 month ahead is going to be getting $20, which this 1 month ahead is actually a buffer. It's a bill buffer envelope. So I need to create a card for it, and I will have a card for it the next time I stuff these envelopes. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So probably once this envelope gets to about $100, I'll probably just leave it at that. All right, you guys. So I have completed stuffing my envelopes for my bill binder and saving a little bit to get 1 month ahead. Once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really encourage that you subscribe. And if you had a good time on this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your engagement, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of